Well, here's another one of those times where I was muted, so I have to do a voiceover. We're going to take a quick look at something called the coefficient of variation. That's not the same as variance. Instead, coefficient of variation, or CV for short, is the standard deviation divided by the mean, which means that it's going to give us a sense of the measure of spread per unit, where the unit is the mean. What we're going to use is the data from the last example, where we were looking at 40-month-old children broken down into males and females, and we had in centimeters the recumbent length. Again, recumbent is the length when lying down. Recumbent length lying down. So, reopening the data in Excel and finding again the mean and the standard deviation for each set of data. And then just to label that afterwards, I'm going to create a column on the left so you can see where the mean and standard deviation are, and then where the coefficient of variation, or CV, is located at for each data set. And between the males and females, we're going to get a different sense of which one has more dispersion based on standard deviation versus based on the coefficient of variation. However, we're going to talk about right after that what happens if we just take a look at the recumbent length for the males and convert from the centimeters that it was measured in to inches. So after I clear out those two columns there, accidentally created one extra one, I show the conversion of centimeters to inches using the fact that there are 0.393701 inches per centimeter. So I multiply all of the entries for the males by the 0.393701 inches per centimeter to get all of those in centimeters. Then I get the mean and standard deviation for the males in inches, followed by the coefficient of variation. And we wind up getting the same thing. So although we can get when comparing two different groups, we can get a different sense of which one has more dispersion, when it comes to changing the units in which something is measured, we get the same thing.